Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Ajaz here from GetitunboxTV. So today we are going to do the unboxing of Poco's M3, and we all know after this launch Poco went independent and they are no longer with Xiaomi in terms of branding their Poco series with them. So now they are independent and they have launched this device with the Snapdragon 662. Alright, there are some key features which we are going to cover in this unboxing video, but the price is a bit cheaper as compared to the Redmi's 9T. But like, what will be the difference? So let's quickly put our hands on it, okay, to see the first impression, check out the device and the packaging, and then we can think about the device, like is it gonna be worthy to buy it. So let's quickly get into it, guys. So we have the box here and we got multiple, you can say, seals. So the first thing, we peel this off and we got the warranty stuff here. Alright, and the warranty is going to start in 8th of April and it's gonna end in 7th of April 2022. Okay, so which means we have 2 extra months, so that is indeed a good sign that we are getting more warranty. Alright, so let's quickly peel this off, but before I do we have something mentioned here? Yes, for the box we have mentioned here, this is the Power Black 4GB variant with 128 gigs of internal storage, Poco M3 branding with easy access. Alright, so let's quickly turn it out from here. I know my cutter is just a lost. Alright, and okay, so the pretty fine, you can say. First thing, Poco M3. Alright, and now let's check what we are going to get with the device. Paperwork, the booklet, shelf, okay. Same thing I would say, SIM ejector tool, user manual, then clear TPU case. Okay, so here is the device. These are the key features for selling out this device. 48 AI triple camera, 6000 mAh battery with 18 volts fast charger. Same display size of the Poco X3, but only 4 centimeter, you can say, inches difference. Same Snapdragon 662 we saw in the Redmi 9T. Alright, what we are going to get with the device in the packaging, same thing, USB type A to USB type C, and it's really hard to pull it out. Okay, with a yellow, you can say, no, it's a white accent. Alright, and here we have the power brick, and to read out, I would say it is maxed out with 22.5 volts. This is really good. The device supports 18 volts fast charging, but here we are getting the 22.5 volts power brick out of the box. So let's quickly peel out the sticker. One thing I would say, after peeling out the sticker, I fell in love with this texture base back, okay, and the camera bumper is really minimalistic. Alright, and I like the branding they did here, okay. And if I check the wobbles, for example, to put it on the table, right, and let's see, so less wobbles, and quickly start this device, and once I set up I will get back quickly. Okay, so that was the unboxing experience. So the first, I would say, impression would be to put our hands on it. Okay, the grip is fine because of the textured material. It says, like you can see, anti-scratch, I would say, not getting our scratch. And the camera module, I would say, is sort of inspired by the Samsung, and it looks fine. They have put their brand here, okay, like the name of their, you can say, Poco, the branding is here. Okay, so that was the initial impression, and we do have a pre-applied screen protector. So let's start with the screen lock test. Okay, kind of accurate. Alright, and we do see a notification LED which is inside the screen there. And let's go to the all specs about the phone, what we are getting. It is the global version, and we have 28 GB occupied out of 128. Device is Poco M3. All specs are here. 4 gigs of RAM, octa-core 2.0. Alright, so it supports 1080p max resolution. The viewing angles, I would say, okay, pretty acceptable. Alright, and if you look at from the all aspects, and I would say one thing I noticed, it has more blue light into it as compared to the Redmi 9T, and I wanted to make sure for the same display, same screen resolution. Here we can see this is the Xiaomi's Redmi 9T, and same thing I would say, but more of you would get an idea that, you know, it has more blue light into it as compared to the Redmi 9T. Okay, so it's time to discuss the SIM ejection situation. I would say it has a hybrid slot. We can see we can put 2 SIM cards, okay, and a micro SD card in order to expand the memory. And there are people, they would like to, you know, increase, I would say, their internal storage. But to me, honestly, a base variant of 128 gigs internal storage is more than enough for an average user. When you put the TPU case, it looks something like this, and I would say it's kind of a good sign to provide something like that. We didn't get hands-free, don't forget that. We didn't get hands-free with the Poco series, alright? Even with the Mi series as well. But yeah, that is good that they have provided a TPU case. The overall view, I would say yes, it indeed feels a bit slow, but we all know it supports only 60 Hz refresh rate, so that's why Snapdragon 662 is this much capable. And the overall feeling, I would say, I felt it better, more smoother as compared to the Redmi's 9T. Okay, so it's time to check out the camera samples, okay, how the camera works. So we are working with an 8 megapixel camera, and it's time to take a selfie photo, how it's gonna be. I will put this on a screen so we can see in better quality, I would say. Okay, so there was an AI filter, you can say, turned on. Now I'm taking a normal photo, no AI. Alright, and I would say, and I hope you liked this video. That was the initial impression, unboxing experience, and hands-on. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I urge you not to forget to click on that bell notification, so in order to get the future updates whenever I will be, you know, uploading more content. And I'll catch you guys in the new one. Till then, take care, peace out.